I'm going to put on this Defiant dusted on motion security. I already took it out of the thing, and this is basically the way it works. Dusted on motion security, and supposedly it's 120 degree motion detector, 220 looms, dual modes. All right, we're going to try it. You can put it anywhere, and if you want, you just kind of screw it in like this. Here's the stats on it. It's got all, that's the information about it. It's got a lithium battery, I guess. And you can put it on two, here, you can put it this way or this way, I guess. So we're gonna try it, see how she works. Thinking of trying to hang it from that water collection thing there. But I think I might just go ahead and try putting it right here and see how she works. Or maybe a little bit higher, or I could put it up there. But but it's got to get sun, so that's important. It's got a couple different situations here. You press this, it just turns it on, right? Then if you press this, apparently that activates the motion detector. And if I press it again, it turns it off. So you can turn it on just by going like that, okay? Or you turn it off and then you let the motion detector do it. And it turns it on. And then you got to click it once, twice to get it off. And that's it. That's how it goes. All right, let's put it up. All right, so got my trusty drill. I got a little screw. We're just going to shove her up there. So here we go. All right, we're just going to put one screw in. There. I want to get this thing on top here, the solar thing, pretty clean. I don't want to be able to get that sun. So that should work. All right, that's it. We'll see how she works later on tonight. Got 3 different selections that you can do. If you press the button one time to select mode A, the light A will turn on to full brightness when motion is detected, then switch to weak brightness with a backlight and front light on for 10 seconds. If you press it 2 times, select mode B, the light A will turn on to full brightness when motion is detected, then switch to weak brightness with the backlight and the front light off after 10 seconds. So if we press it one time, it's going to do that right there. So we're going to leave it on that. And then it should just go off. Okay, now it's off. All right, so when it detects motion, it should go on. So let's see if it works. And yes, it works. So I put it up, and after it got some sun on it, that sucker, that's from sitting there. That just, I don't have to plug it in. It just works on its own. As soon as I walk up, it turns on. Excellent. So now it's off. I'm gonna walk out, and it should turn on. Bam, it worked. All right, this is definitely worth its money. I would strongly recommend getting these. That one there, I gotta pay for it. This one's free, the sun pays for it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff I've never done before. Peace out.